Polymerization of free radical. Moses Gomberg, the founder of radical chemistry. Free radical. Radical are atom, molecule or ion with unpaired electron in outer shell configuration. Free radical may have a positive, negative or a zero charge. Even though have a unpaired electron by convention metal and their ions or complexes with unpaired electron are not radical. Unpaired electron cause radical to be highly reactive. Introduction. Electron pairing in outermost orbit indicates stability of atom. To maintain stability, each electron in outer orbital must be paired with another electron. A radical is simply an atom with one or more unpaired electron in its outer orbit. In this figure, outer orbit with a single electron unpaired. What happens when a free radical bond? When a weak bond is split, free radical may be formed. In normal circumstances, the body provides a endogenous substance, means free radical scavenger, to combine with a free radical. If these scavenger are not available or overly production of a free radical, the radical donate to or steal an electron from another molecule, leading to a chain reaction that trigger formation of more free radical. The chain reaction results in a damage to a cell membrane and a deoxyribonucleic acid, means DNA altered enzyme reaction and damage to collagen and connective tissues. Oxygen as a free radical. Probably the most well-known free radical is the oxygen free radical. Oxygen is a basis for a development of most free radical in the body. Inherently, oxygen is an unstable molecule. During metabolism, the O2 molecule split and energy is released to regain stability. The free single oxygen atom, oxygen free radical, seeks out a steal electron from other available source. This may result in a bond with a dangerous property. The oxygen accepts one electron, it becomes superoxide anion radical. If oxygen accepts two electrons, it produces peroxide. Although the superoxide radical is not very powerful, it can easily donate an electron to a nearby ion atom to produce the hydroxyl radical, one of the most potent biological free radical. OH can react with almost any molecule to cause this oxidative stress and damage. This oxygen free radical, also called reactive oxygen species, means ROS. Radicals are believed to involved in degenerative disease and cancers. Free radicals play an important role in combustion, atmospheric chemistry, polymerization, plasma chemistry, biochemistry, and many other chemical processes, including human physiology. For example, superoxide and nitric oxide regulate many biological processes, including controlling vascular tone. Thank you.